With carpet, mistakes happen. We spill coffee, food, and many other soils onto our clothes, furniture, and carpets every day. Immediate attention with the right formulas is the difference between an efficient solution and a permanent problem. Easily accomplish this task with the Solv Spotting Variety Pack from the Powell Company. The Spotting Variety Pack contains 2 quarts of our 3 market-leading spotters, 3 sprayers, and 2 user guides to make the choice between products simple. The first spotter is our Solv Triple Threat 3-in-1 Carpet Cleaner. When used undiluted, this dynamic formula will help lift away iodine, oil-based spills, wine, tar, ink, dirt, and more from the affected carpet or fabric. With 3 solutions in 1 bottle, this product can also be diluted as a pre-spray before extraction, or can be used for bonnet cleaning, which means you save time and inventory. The second product is our Solv Tannin Attack. The formula is built with a natural plant-based solution called oxalic acid, which is commonly found in vegetables and facial products. Versatile in use, Tannin Attack also can be diluted at 2 ounces per gallon of water in extraction equipment. Doing so will provide a neutralizing rinse for carpet fibers and also clean the extractor mechanics. The third formula is our Solv BioSpot. This product utilizes enzymes to digest spots caused by organic, odor-causing soils. Working immediately on contact, the BioSpot formula cleans and deodorizes in 1 step. Solv spotter formulas along with a spotting guide makes treating spills easier than ever. With just 3 products, you can accomplish 10 different cleaning procedures and remediate over 40 spots and spills, making this kit the most versatile option on the market today. Contact your local Powell representative to order this user-focused kit and to make sure your carpet and upholstery are protected year after year.